bathroom. This is the Genkan, the entrance. Toilet. This is an automatic toilet, bidet. It washes your bottoms and dries your bottoms. And the toilet seat is heated because it's winter time, which is quite normal in Japan. And this is our second room. Can sleep more people. So this is good. This is a closet for 2 rooms. So this is a shared closet. Oh, the light actually lights up automatically. I just realized. Here's where they put the yukata. Some drawers. Now we're going to the main room. This is where you can make tea. And there's some teacups, teapot, glasses. So let's explore the main room. I'm sorry, it's a bit messy. This is very nice pastry. It's a welcome pastry. So when you first arrive there, hotel, Ryokan, they provide you with matcha Japanese green tea and some sweets like that. The room is not quite big, but it's got a beautiful view. In the morning, when the weather is nice, you can see Mount Fuji quite clearly and beautifully. It's by the Kawaguchi Lake. The hotel's by the Kawaguchi Lake, so you can see the beautiful lake surrounding you, and over the lake there's this beautiful scenery of Mount Fuji. So this is like a lounge. Nice cushions. Well, I'll make sure I don't fall. Okay, let's have a look at the room from this angle. This is not an aircon. In fact, This is like an air purifier. The maid came in the evening and made our futon bed. This Japanese inn has everywhere in this Japanese ryokan has got some beautiful artworks, porcelain artworks. As you can see, this closet is a common closet for both the main room and the smaller room. Alright, so this is the Kozantei Ubuya by the Mount Fuji. So this is the this is how it looks like in the evening. And the grade of the room is the second cheapest room, the second cheapest room type in this Japanese style hotel, which is actually yeah, can sleep up to I think 4 or 6 people. I choose this room over the cheapest room is because this room has got a smaller room, so which I find it quite cute and spacious. Okay, so this concludes my room tour for you guys. Good night.